As India is looking to increase infrastructure development during these testing times, 20 to 22-ton excavators for infrastructure applications are a crucial cog in building various infrastructure across the country. At this juncture, Kobelco is proud to launch our new model that we have carved out in the high-end 20 to 22-ton infra excavator segment. Kobelco SK220, the zero-compromise infra excavator. In line with the Generation 10 range of Kobelco excavators, the SK220 exalts our long-standing pillars of commitments, superior technology, high fuel efficiency, and greater reliability that Kobelco is known for. From Kobelco's world-renowned engine and powertrain to mechatronics and other superior technological features, the SK220 stays true to its Kobelco badge. SK220 offers the same high fuel efficiency that is much sought after in any Kobelco offering. This has been achieved over time with many thoughtful technological innovations. When customizing the SK220 for the high-end infrastructure segment, we had one policy: zero compromise, which means absolutely no compromises on the excavator's heart, the engine, or the excavator's lifeline, the powertrain. Kobelco's highly capable hydraulic powertrain ensures superior operation even in challenging conditions. Or the structure. The robust heavy-duty boom, arm and bucket ensure greater durability for optimal function over long periods of time. With a spacious, airtight and dust-free cabin, there's no better place than the SK220 an excavator operator can be in for both safety and comfort. The zero-compromise Kobelco SK220 is a high-end infrastructure excavator with unmatched performance and high savings, making it a remarkably apt choice in a variety of applications. The SK220 makes for an irresistible choice for infra applications with the lowest operating cost in its class, as well as a reduced cost of ownership. What's more, the higher uptime of SK220 ensures higher productivity and even more attractive cost per hour. Wait no more. Book the zero-compromise Kobelco SK220 now.